Hello, hi everybody, myself Ramesh. Recently, the UGC-NET Environmental Science exam was conducted in June month, and those the many causes and those EVS exam was cancelled, and then again they conducted on September 2nd in the Environmental Science UGC-NET exam in September 2nd. So on that exam I also attended, and you can see the few of the questions answers we will discuss now slide by slide. Okay, now you can see the first one. You can see the name of the exam was conducted by the UGC-NET Environmental Science. The subject code is 14 and the conducting authority is NTA, National Testing Agency, and the paper number of questions are the papers number of papers is 2, the paper 1 and paper 2. The paper 1 is the general awareness and paper 2 specially in the subject, and this exam was conducted by twice in a year, means every 6 months they will conduct, and the mode of exam is online. The time duration is 3 hours. The number of paper and the total marks, paper 1 is 100 marks and paper 2 is the 200 marks, and the negative marks, there is no negative marking. And if you want to the more details about that UGC-NET, and you can go through it, this is the website. Now you can see that recently was in September 2nd the exam was conducted in UGC, the environmental science. Especially you can see few of the questions and with answer, and if you know that few questions, and I left simply the questions. If you know this answer, please give the comment box. There is questions answer, question number and answer. Okay, then it is useful to everyone. I gave the briefly about the questions and answer. I don't know that exactly these are answer are correct. So we will check you soon in by the releasing of the key papers. So these are the questions. You can see the first one question is project method of teaching was first pronoun or first introduced by the here is given 4 options. One is the John Davy is the first, he introduced the project method of teaching in the first found. So the first one right answer is the B1 is the right answer. And second one question, you can see any study of messages at the receiver stage is known as dash. You can, here is given the 4 options: communication analysis, message analysis, noise analysis and audience analysis. So I hope this answer was the communication analysis. So the right answer is the communication analysis. Now we can go for the third one question. Which of the following are the example of organic pollutants in water? So you can see that organic pollutants in water, here is option given the salt, pesticide, dioxins, bases and pigments. So the organic pollutant in water, one of the is the pesticides. Pesticides is the best example for the organic pollutant in water. Then you can see here fourth one, which of the following are the different types of ethnography? So ethnography is the, there is, you can see classical and mainstream ethnography, postmodern, private and expensive ethnography. So here is given the few options. The which of the following is different type. Classical ethnography is the right answer. And you can see the fifth one sorry, the fifth one question is sustainable development goal 7 is related to dash. Here is he asked the question sustainable development goal 7. What is the main concept of goal 7 sustainable development? The sustainable development goal 7 SDG 7 is the about the ensuring the cross of the affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all, are reaching unusual cross to electricity and clean cooking and doubling the rate of efficiency improvement. So especially the electricity we can affordable to each and every one people, that is a sustainable development goal 7 is related to the electricity or power. And next one, sixth one question he asked, what is Vygotsky theory? So Vygotsky theory, the social development theory, assessed that the children cognitive development and their learning ability can be guided or mediated by their social interaction. That is the theory main concept of sixth one. Now you will move on to the seventh one. He asked on ontological tools. What is the ontology? It is the simplest, it is the study of existence, that it is much more that Then that two. So ontology is the study of how we determine if the things exist or not to, or as well as the classification of existence. So this is the ontological tools, and this is the definition for the tools of the ontology. Then you can see the SOAM is the program initiated by. This is very simple question, but most of the people they wrote their chances to wrote the mistakes. This is the direct question answer. The SOAM is the one of the online platform program that is conducted by, or this program was initiated by the government of India. So government of India is the right answer. Then we can look here, which of the following is used to reference to measure the global warming potential of greenhouse gas. So which one they use as a reference of the to measure the global warming potential of greenhouse gas. Like you can see the greenhouse gas CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. So how they will measure? They will take one reference according to those values, and they will found this is that greenhouse gas levels. So that is the one of the is the carbon dioxide, CO2 is the they use as a reference to measure the global warming potential for the greenhouse gas. So carbon dioxide is the one example, or the carbon dioxide is the right answer for the 9th one. This is also one of the direct question answer. Now we will move on to the 10th question. Fort William College. So he asked that college, this college located in West Bengal in Calcutta, Fort William College. So Fort William College, also known as College of Fort William, was the Academy of Oriental Studies and is a center for learning founded in 18th August 1800 by the Lord Wesley and the Governor General of British India. So located within the Fort William complex in Kolkata. So the college aimed to train the British officials to Indian language, and in the process frustrated to develop the language such as Bengali and Urdu. That is the college, the main aim, the British government of Lord Wesley, they established that one college, that the main aim of the college is to language orientation program like Indian language, Bengali and Urdu. So these are the, he asked the one of the question about the Fort William College. And next to 11th one question is toxic substance that damage the kidney or called as. That is very simple bit and direct questions. This is one of the medical terminology. So the toxic substance that damage the kidney are called as the, you can see hematotoxic, neurotoxic, cytotoxic, nephrotoxic. So nephrotoxic is the right answer. Especially the nephrology kind of doctors, they will study about the kidney studies, like either the kidney is good condition and a bad condition, or it will be any damage. These kind of studies will be going on for the nephrotoxic, or that is called nephrology. So the 11th one right answer is the D is the right answer. Next one, 12th one, you can see the arrange the following in increasing the order of O by C, oxygen by carbon, atomic ratio of the qualification forth. So here is given the cellulose, wood, lignin, vitinite. This is the right answer for the A1. 12th one is the A1 is the right answer. And you can see here the 13th one. Actually, I was trying to make this answer, but I forgot. If you know people's this 13th one question answer, please do in comment box. We will discuss in soon. So the arrange of the following scientists in order of their contribution of evolution of branch of ecology. So especially here is given the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scientist names. You order the according to the scientists in order of their contribution into the evolution of branch of ecology. So you will see in comment box how many people will know this answer, especially 13. And you can see the next one, which of the following minerals are formed in the low grade of metamorphism. So low grade metamorphism will form especially mosquite and the actinate. So the A1 is the right answer. You will see in by comment box which is the right answer. Okay. Then you can see is the 15th one question. Which of the following most recent contribution of India having the global impact? So which of the following the most recent contribution India having the global impact? Here is given here the four options, that B1 is the right answer. IBCA, the Big Cat Alliance, is the one of the recently 2024 February they announced one of the big global impact contribution in India. And next we can see which of the following is the sulfur are found in the coal. So sulfur is found in the coal, especially in organic. Then you can see the 17th one, first law of thermodynamics. He asked the what is the first law of thermodynamics, and the internal energy du is equal dq by dw. So the what is the first law of thermodynamics? The state you cannot create the energy, but we cannot destroy the energy, but we can change one form to another one form. That is the thermodynamic first law. The statement of conservation of energy, if the dq is the heat of the partial air or du is the working done. So partial air and then the change the internal energy of the air, du is the given by du is dq minus dw. So the thermodynamic first law, what the teaching, the especially the direct statement is energy you can change one form to another one form, but you cannot destroy it. And next one you can see the spectral actinic flux is the best expression in the unit is SI unit W by M square per Hertz. And next one, 19th one, absorbed dose radiation dose SI units expressed as Gray. So right answer is C, GRAY, Gray. Next one is the essential conditions of photochemical smog formation in ambient atmosphere are. So in the photochemical smog is the mixture of pollutant are formed in the nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compound and react with sunlight. Especially the nitrogen oxide is the compulsory, that is essential for to do photochemical reaction as smog. Next one is statistical. Here is a null hypothesis. Here he can the man, right? U test and X-square test, Z test, NOV test. You can see here for null hypothesis they give proportional cross to the two groups, same median, medium, and no associated two groups. You will see this answer also in soon. You will discuss in comment box by the audience. Now we can see the 22th question. The in biodiesel making dash containing sodium hydroxide solution mixing with vegetable oil. Here vegetable oil specially they use for methanol. Methanol is the best example. It's contain the sodium hydroxide especially in vegetable oil. So the right answer is B. Then you can see the 23. Which of the following states the India has maximum wind power potential at 120 above the ground level of percentage of assessment? So Gujarat is the example. Gujarat is the right answer for here 23. And which of the chemical cause the respiratory eye irritation around the swimming pool? This question is K. So if you look, this is the right answer question. So which of the chemicals cause the respiratory and the eyes irritation around in swimming pool? The chloramine. Chloramine is the right answer for the 24. And which of the following is the thorium mineral used as atomic fuel? Thorium phosphate is the one of the mineral used for atomic fuel. And you can see here the then you can see for here 26th bit, 26th bit, you can see the decreasing law of the stream depends on what, and invoice plant example of family estrus, and LD50 values of pesticides, and which of the following is given here? The nicotine 5 to 50 gram you will see, and which of the following is the component NOE species in atmosphere, and N2O5 is the right answer. And you can see what is the plastic and the example PTE and the HDPE, PPPS, the milk bottle and soft drinks and pharmaceutical straws. And you can see the ISO, they are using hand series, and the ISO here I wrote in answer, life cycle and green bonds and principle required and vocabulary. Okay, and you can see this is the one of the example of PP, means that PPE especially used for polypropylene. The plastic are used for that pharmaceutical bottles preparation, and PS is used for the polystyrene for straw making. They are using here nowadays, and this is used for the soft drink, and this is a milk bottle. Okay, and this is that one example ISO series and the standard. I wrote here the example. You can cross check it your answer also. So then like, share.